To be the universe's greatest star, you've got to have real drive. And away we...
You're in reverse.
Look out for that planet! Which planet?
Oh, that one. Go forwards and press the thingy. You know, on the doodah. Oh, no! That was the Watson! Look out for that planet!
Which planet?
Press the... whatchamacallit?
And one.
The captain was saying that one should never be pressed!
What's it do?
It turns on the ship's magnetic coils, which is fine as long as no one's wearing anything big and metally like that big metally belt you got on.
No, 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 no! Oh, hedge. Backwards hedge. Red and hot. I've never been so embarrassed. I hate having floppy head hair. I hate being a big smoothie mess. I hate looking stupid. Oh, McLaren. At least I don't have to do that ridiculous wobbler show. Of course not. Oh, cancelled.
Can't wait for tonight! We're so
Another glitch. Ignore that.
In deep trouble, 3 and 5.
It's over, Captain.
Nah, that doesn't fit. Are you serious?
Nova Jones. And I do hope you've enjoyed your 15 minutes of fame, because now it's my turn to be the star.
Oh, yeah? Next stop, space jail. Brace yourself!
We're racing.
You see, I have all your talents, including yours, for piloting this ship.
Yes, I knew I had a talent for driving a spaceship.
So that means Sid's the only one who's still got his talent.
So, Sid, we lure him into a toilet?
Oh, yes, I like that idea.
Nova Jones's ideas, man. I can't wait to see your talent and take it away.
He said his catchphrase. Brilliant.
The final piece falls into place. Now nothing can stop me from... Hold on a second, are those buttons? Oh, wow, twinkly, look at them all. I love buttons. Oh, wow, check out your hair. It's fantastic, I love it. Where'd you get it done? It's just completely awesome.
What's going on?
He must have sucked up Sid's talent for complete enthusiasm.
It's overwhelmed everything.
So, if the host has Sid's enthusiasm...
Then Sid will be immune from distractions.
And he'll finally be able to focus.
Affirmative, Captain. Incredible. So this is what it's like to experience complete concentration. Enlightening.
Yeah. Ha ha. As if that could hold me back.
Monitors, display funny kitties.
Oh, cute little kittens. I love little cats. They're so cute. Oh, I wish you could come home with me. Oh, look at you. I'm gonna call you Felipe. I love you, Felipe. Prepare to be voted off. It's elimination time.
Music!
Oh, I like this one.
Nova, sing along.
I can make the moves. I can hit the notes. I can...
Digit, fist bump.
Dance emergency in progress.
Uh-oh.
rhythm's got to me.
McLaren, do you still have that 12-colored laser pointer you were desperate to use earlier?
This one?
Exactly. Now, make sure it's turned off and don't point it at anything.
Yes, sir. I just need to flip the safety switch. Oh, sorry, I messed up.
Precisely as calculated. Great work, McLaren.
Oh, look at that one. Oh, I got you. Oh, you got away. No, please. Please stop. It's too much. But I want to. No, I must. Oh, but this colour's they're just so. Help me, please make it stop. Just take it away, please. I can't focus on anything. All I can think about is glitter and unicorns and funny cat videos and novelty hot water bottles.
Ah, deep trouble. Hot water.
I can help you, but you'll have to give up every power you've stolen. It's the only way.
Of course. Just take them all away. Take them all away, please.
Sid, you've saved the day.
And most importantly, you saved my crossword. Now you're getting it.
But my humble dreams of being a galaxy-wide mega famous pop star.
You'll need to start again. This time without stealing talent. Just hard work, practice, and patience.
Of course. I'll do it.
Find something you truly love and stick at it.
It takes 10,000 hours of practice to perfect something. Did you know that?
Indeed. Practice makes perfect.
Perfect,
Thank you, Sid. You're the most talented being I've met. I promise you, I'll use my time well. Oh. Almost there. Almost there. Oh, it's beautiful.
So, McLaren Pod, first I want the doll to be a lot more like me. It should have my movement skills.
Strong limbs and flexible joints. Understood.
It should be super huggable.
Soft material. Understood.
It should have my awesome sound quality.
Great speakers. Understood.
It needs to be immediately noticeable, command the room instantly, get your attention so you'll never forget it. Oh, and lots of purple. Doesn't need a foot bar. A gummy launcher pre-installed.
McLaren Pod presents Nova 2.0.
Hello, my name is Nova Jones, and I want to rock your worlds.
That's Nova 2.0.
McLaren Pod had the 3D printer follow your directions to the letter, even the letters that spelled bad ideas.
I'm always happy when I'm insert activity here.
McLaren Pod detects a rise in the tantrometer.
It's ridiculous.
I came to this planet to sing songs and chew gummies.
I don't like my new doll me. It's weird looking, it talks funny, it's pink where it should be shiny, it's shiny where it should be pink, its head looks nothing like me, and why is its hair better than mine?
McLaren Pod does not know what to do about this.